Alrighty guys, time to do the brakes on the TTR. Your poor car. I'm gonna put in what we did to it last night right now. So we're here getting Ultra 94 because Kyle's little shit box here has a trailer hooked up and extra seating. Oh, this poor car. That was a blast.
Gotta make a 4-seater a 5-seater.
Alrighty guys, just a matter of taking the bolt off, taking the chain adjuster off, and pulling it out that side. And the spacer.
What a piss off.
What?
That rim's an 18, this one's a 19.
What is that?
Yeah.
What's the front?
21.
Should be right.
Yep.
Alrighty guys, there's the old one. As you see, got a bit of separation on the pad here. Nice pad, eh?
Not much left of that.
Nope. So, just a matter of separating these springs and we'll be good to go. Put the new ones on. Walk it. Well, that seems pretty easy. We'll put it together the same way too. Cool. Ugh.
Moron.
More on women. There we go. How simple is that?
Wish car drums were that easy.
No doubt. I'll get back this off. That in there. Feed that back in there. get any simpler. Done. Put the bolt on this side. Fuck, that's almost sad. You know why? It wasn't even a fucking sip of a beer job. Doesn't matter, still charge them 2 beers.
That's 2 beer flat rate?
Yep. 2 beer flat rate.
All done.
You pass me the hammer. Oh, I got that side. Do the chain adjuster yet because you see I'm right up against. So I'm just gonna pull it a little back. Make sure the bike doesn't fall on me again. See, it's cool because you got numbers right here. Like, if you get right close, I'm at number 4, right? So I'll go 4.5. That'll be good. Then you do the same on this side, just go 4.5. She's even.
Better than having a crooked wheel.
Nope. Sweet. There we go. And a lot of people wonder. I got a couple messages. How'd you learn all this stuff? Hands-on. It's the only way you actually learn. That's what I always say. There we go. Throw a new cotter pin, and we're done. Sweet.
Don't forget like you did your quad.
yeah. No, yes, I won't be forgetting the cotter pin. That'd suck, because this wheel would just come right off. And we're going to be doing an oil change on the little 200 SX. But I'm not going to do the filter, because the filter, you have to take the whole side cover off. It's like kind of ridiculous. Why? I think it's this side. No, the other side you got to take off. And it's just a screen. It's just an oil screen. It's not an actual filter. So this one takes 1.6 liters of oil. So I got to head down, grab some oil, and replace that. And draining the gas out of this. Had an old last year's gas in it, and get this one gassed up and get some Epsom salt and repair the battery. And this will be awesome. Ready to ride. Sweet. And we'll be able to go ripping this weekend. Alright guys, got the bike out. Actually got it running. We had to boost it. But I need to restore that battery. But it's not cranking out full open. Shut the fuel off. But it's not cranking out full open, so the valves need adjusting. So Kyle's gone up to Exeter to get a valve adjustment wrench for it. Because the reason it keeps loosening up is because I'm trying to keep it tightened with like a needle nose pliers or something like that, and it's just not working out. It keeps loosening off. So gonna do it proper this time with the proper tool. Got the oil changed on that, got the oil changed on that, and we're ready. And tomorrow night I think I'm gonna pack up the quad and go camping. That's the plan anyway. Still trying to find somebody to loan me a tent because I don't have 50 bucks to go buy a new one. Got everything else, just no tent. Don't really need a tent, but the nights are still about 12 degrees Celsius, so it might be a little chilly. So, yep, all the toys are working great. And that one, I might be selling to Kyle. Well, I think I will be. Because I got this now, right? Time for a change. So, and then I still got a little bit of a bend on this one, so I got to bring that up just a tad because I rolled it last weekend. But everything is working awesome. Changed the oils, changed this whole switch. The only thing is to shut it off, you actually have to put it in the center and turn it on, because this is a positive ground and the one I took off is a negative ground. So to shut it off you have to turn it, yeah. Anyway, it's opposite. So that's actually in the off position and that's in the run position. So either side is in the run position. But got her all nicely wired in. Took my time doing it. And okay, it's on now. Oil's changed. She's running like a champ. Sweet. And what else do I have coming? Oh, I have to, the knuckles here, I have to order the inside here. The bushing, you can probably see the bushings are gone, and the dust cap on the bottom. So I have to order the bushing that actually goes through it, because this is a little bit on the loose side. And new tie rod ends. The tie rods are a little bit loose. So it's like 40 bucks for all four, plus shipping. But other than that, she's running great. And I've got to order the 13 tooth. I got the 12 on there now, but I want the 13, because running the low profile tires, you got first gear is way too torquey. It's like way too much torque. So to fix that, I'm just going to get the 13 tooth. Sweet. Yep, she's all filled up with fuel, and the bike will be all filled up in fuel, and so gonna go on a massive romp this weekend. Sweet. Alrighty guys, have a great one.